Welcome back to the truck. Another service call, one that luckily customers okayed us to have Brandon come along and shoot this one. So we're gonna do that so you guys can see what we're kind of doing today. All these flashing lights everywhere. Look at it. This is a real construction type place, eh? Real heavy duty stuff. You see, we're not just both, you guys, we actually work. We don't just do YouTube for a living. Look at that case backhoe. Power pose. All right, hey, it's Cam. We got 2 services today. Inclement weather conditions, having some technical difficulties with our camera. So the sound from here on out is gonna be shitty. So just deal with it, we are. Give me a TekamoHD. All right. And we're back. Camera's dried out. Am I yelling too much? I'm just checking our swing drive level. And our oil's a little milky. It's a beautiful day in Hemlock Valley. Weather's cleared up. We got some blue sky even peeking out. Yeah, no, it's a really nice day. Turned out to be a really nice day. It was a little bit slushy and scungy before, but oh, shit. Now that's a crane. If I could get that on my truck, you know. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's snowing up there. You see the snow? It's almost kind of snowing down here, but living the dream. It's just a day in my life. Life of a heavy duty mechanic. That's my day, and it's dark now, and we got to drive home. So, wasn't too terribly long day. It was only 12 hours, 12 and a half. All said and done, we'll probably be at 13 by the time I get home. So, it was a good day. It was a good day.